Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to rotate a PowerPoint slide step by step. This works the same on Windows, Mac, and the web version. First, click on the Design tab at the top of the screen. You'll find it in the ribbon menu between Draw and Transitions. Once you click it, the Design ribbon opens up, showing all your slide themes and formatting options. Next, look over to the far right side of the Design ribbon. You'll see a button called Slide Size in the Customize section. Click on it. A drop-down menu appears with a few size options like standard 4:3 and widescreen 16:9. In that drop-down, click Custom Slide Size. On Mac, this option is called Page Setup instead, but it's in the same spot. Either way, clicking it opens a dialog box. The title at the top will say Slide Size on Windows and the web version, or Page Setup on Mac. Now, on the right side of this dialog box, you'll see a section labeled Orientation. This is where the actual rotation happens. Click the Portrait Radio button under Slides. Make sure you're clicking Portrait for Slides specifically. There's a separate orientation setting for notes, handouts, and outlines below it, and you want to leave that one alone. Once you've selected Portrait, click the OK button at the bottom of the dialog box. As soon as you do, another prompt pops up asking how you want to scale your content. Click Ensure Fit. This shrinks your content down to fit within the new portrait orientation, which prevents anything from getting cut off. On Mac, this button is called Scale Down instead, but it does the same thing. Your slides will now rotate to portrait orientation. After the rotation, scroll through your presentation and check that everything looks right. Text boxes and images might need some manual adjusting if they don't quite fit the new shape. If you've got a lot of slides, you can use Slide Master to fix placeholder positions all at once. Just go to View, then Slide Master, and make your adjustments there. One thing to note, this change applies to every slide in your presentation. PowerPoint doesn't let you mix portrait and landscape slides in the same file, so all your slides will rotate together. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.